What's up? Welcome to another Wake Up Wednesday with me, Rebecca-Louise. Thanks so much for joining me. If you missed last week's video, do not worry, there was no Wake Up Wednesday, but there was a video about 7 steps to recovery. So make sure you go and check that out, and also the new workout that came out on Sunday. And I love hearing from you guys about what videos that you want. This was actually a request from Instagram, so if you're not already following me, Rebecca-Louise Fitness and Rebecca-Louise Nutrition, you can go and give me comments on there, and I will be making videos exactly the ones that you want for our Wake Up Wednesday. So we are going to be talking about 7 steps to a good day and my morning routine. So this is what I like to do. Everybody's got their own kind of styles and things, but if you want to follow me, then I'm going to teach you the 7 steps that I do. And before you do anything, make sure that you do subscribe to the channel, because our Ralphie family is growing and we want more of you being part of our amazing community. So thanks so much for your support, and let's get started on the video. Number 1, we are going to talk about lighting. So when you wake up in the morning, you want your eyes to just generally nicely wake up. We don't want anything like too harsh. This is for me personally. Maybe you just want like a crazy like disco ball going on to wake you up. But for me, I need something that's this is all going to be like smooth things like namaste this morning. Okay, so I just go into my living room and I put on just like 2 of my lamps, so I've just got a little bit of light in there because I want to wake up my body slowly. And if you guys are thinking, I don't have time to do this, you got to get up 20 minutes earlier. It doesn't take a little bit longer each day just to actually have a good start to your morning. Have you ever heard of the quote that I just got up on the wrong side of the bed today? I just got up on the wrong side of the bed. No, it's just that you didn't wake up properly and that you didn't allow your body to get prepared and your mindset ready to have the most incredible day. So these steps are actually going to help you have the best day, so that when you leave your house, you feel prepared, ready, and able to conquer anything. Number 2, sound. I like to have a little bit of sound in the morning, just like something that's in the background. For me personally, I listen to sounds of the ocean, so the waves crashing. Maybe you want to listen to something like really like fired up, like some heavy rock music. That just doesn't really go with my brain. My brain's a little bit crazy and all over the place, so I need something that's kind of like smooth and mellow. So I just listen to, I have an app and it just has the sounds of the ocean on it. You can have, you know, things like, it's the Calm app. You can have things like the waterfalls or rain, or, you know, just birds chirping. But me personally, I like listening to the sound of the ocean. Number 3, smell. So we're using our eyes, we've got our ears involved, and now we're getting our nose involved. So smell, I use an air diffuser. I like to use eucalyptus. That's one of my favorites. And sometimes I'll actually use some incense sticks as well. That actually just gives like a little bit more of a potent smell. It's a little bit more warming. And just for me personally, it's just kind of like homely. So I've got my smells going, I've got the sound going, I've got the lighting as well. Number 4, and you want to have your breakfast, guys, within 30 minutes of waking up. And the reason is because you've been sleeping all night, and in that time where you're not eating, your body is actually storing fat. So we have got to get food right into your belly as soon as you wake up in the morning. And it's got to be protein, because that's what's going to feed your lean muscle. You've got to have carbs, because that's what's going to give you energy. And if you don't have carbs, what's going to happen is that your body source of energy is going to go to your muscles, which is your protein. Oh my goodness, then you're going to lose your muscle. So you've got to have your muscle, you've got to have your protein for your muscle and your carbs for your muscle, and also your good fats as well. Lots of vitamins, minerals. Me personally, I don't really like cooking that much in the morning because I've just woken up. I want to have everything kind of like nice and just at ease, and I want to be able to feed my body ASAP. So the longer I spend like cooking and making something, the longer it's going to be until I can feed my body. So I have a healthy shake in the morning. All of them are actually available on my nutrition plan, so just click on the description below. You actually get one-on-one coaching as well. I also have some tea. It's energy tea. It's not kind of like a skinny tea, rather it's got antioxidants in it, 3 different types of green tea, 2 different types of black tea. That's also available on the Rebecca kit, along with some aloe. So aloe is great for digestion, it's a great healing nutrient, and you can get the shake, the aloe, and the tea all on the Rebecca kit. Plus, I will be your personal coach, so we actually get to text, and I chat to my clients. So that is the first thing that you need to eat in the morning, is making sure that you're getting something within 30 minutes of waking up. Well, that's what I eat in the morning. Okay. Number 5, I'm going to read 20 minutes of a personal development book. And this is just getting my mindset. So remember, we've opened our eyes, we are breathing our ears, we're getting our nose involved, now we're getting our taste involved, and now it's time for the mindset, okay? So 20 minutes of a book. I've actually got a video up which has got my 7 favorite books. I'm going to be making another one of those because I've just been reading a bunch more books, so I'll be able to share those with you as well. So 20 minutes just to kind of like, you know, get your mindset straight, so that when you face difficulties or challenges throughout the day, you are going to be the problem. You know, you're not going to have the problem, you're going to be able to be the solution. So making sure that you are the solution-orientated person rather than the person who has all of the problems. Because guys, we've all got problems. It just depends how quickly that you can solve them. It is how your mindset is going to work. So read 20 minutes of a personal development book, or maybe you want to listen to some audio too. You can listen to these in the morning. 20 minutes of the Wake Up Wednesday. Number 6, affirmations. What you tell yourself is how the day is going to be. So if you say, oh God, I've got like a terrible day coming, I'm dreading this day, or this has happened, or this, or blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's the type of day that you're going to have. So you need to say morning affirmations to yourself. So it sounds kind of weird, but get in front of the mirror and say, I'm great, I am powerful, I'm positive, I can do this. You know, I'm amazing, like I'm a strong leader, I can work hard. All of these amazing things. You want to say these morning affirmations. It's going to make you have a much better day. And the big thing is that when you wake up in the morning, do all of this, okay, before you touch your phone and go to your emails. Because if your mind is not prepared, okay, your mind is not prepared to face the emails, you haven't eaten, so you're hungry, okay? Who else gets hungry? Yeah, we all get hungry, right? If you're not being prepared to deal with these kind of situations, then you're going to react badly. And that's the thing that we don't want to do. We want to be proactive rather than reactive, okay? And then the last thing, number 7, okay, is we're going to set the intention for the day. Like, what is it that you are setting out to achieve for this day? Like, what is it that you want to accomplish? So I always have like a list of things that I want to do before like I go to sleep that night, and it makes sure that I'm not procrastinating. I want to make sure that I, you know, hit these goals, and I've set these targets, and you know, this is my to-do list for the day. And I just feel that when you have the intention to do something, you're more likely to go ahead and actually complete it, rather if you have like no intention there, you know, you could just keep putting things off. So let's recap. We're going to have lighting. Sound is important. We're going to have some good smells going on. Eating breakfast, so important, guys. We're going to read. We are going to say our morning affirmations, and then we are going to set the intention for the day. Now you're going to feel so accomplished when you've set that intention, when you've set your mind up for the day, when you set your body with the right fuel. You're going to feel absolutely incredible. So there you go. There are my 7 steps to how I wake up in the morning. And if you're going, I just don't have time, well, guess what? You just got to wake up earlier or go to bed, you know, a little bit quicker at nighttime, and don't watch that extra series of Netflix. Guys, it's all about choices. You guys can get to decide how you want to live your life every single day. You make that choice. Is this helping me get to where I want to be? And if it is, great, go ahead and do it. If it's not, then don't do it. My name is Rebecca-Louise. Thank you for joining me for Wake Up Wednesday. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.